math class for Tuesday, August 18th. So I am going to do, this is a review sheet of division. So I'm going to do 2 problems with you, and you guys are going to complete the rest of this sheet on your own. You're going to do okay, you're going to do fine. So let's go ahead, and I want you to look at section 2. Everybody go to, I'm sorry, would y'all like to know what page? That would be good, wouldn't it? You're going to need your math books first today. Get your math book out and open it to page 23 and 24. And pause the video while you do that. Okay, so now we're ready. So look at section 2 on page 23. Nope, I am really rushing this. Let's just stop a moment. Put your name and date at the top of your paper. Okay, so when you turn that in, it's all ready to go. I didn't mention on yesterday's video, remote students, that page should be torn out of your math book and placed behind Monday's worksheet. That was from yesterday's video. On today's video, remote students, you will tear that sheet out, this sheet out that we're working on now, and it will go behind Tuesday's work. Monday people, that worksheet should have been put in your folder, which you will not see this video. Tuesday people, for today, this worksheet needs to be in your red folder when you're done with it, okay? All right, now I am truly ready to go to section 2, letter F. Okay, y'all ready? So section 2, letter F. Here we go. We have 57,640 divided by 88. So we have to look at our second digit, because I'm not messing with an 88 times table. And it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So we know we have to add 1 to our digit in front of it. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay? So we're going to go to our pretend divisor and say, how many times will 9 go into 57? So 9 will go into 57. 9 times 6 is 54. So we better go with 6. But we have to think, can 88 go into 57? No. Can 88 go into 576? Yes. So we are going to put our 6 above the 6. And we're ready to multiply. 8 times 6 is 48. Put 8 down, carry the 4. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 4 is 52. So we are ready to subtract. We can't say 6 minus 8. Go next door to your 7, cross it out and make it a 6. Now we have 16 minus 8 is 8. We have 6 minus 2 is 4. Is 48 smaller than our divisor 88? It is. So we bring down our next digit, which is a 4. And we say, back to our pretend divisor, how many times can 9 go into 48? Well, 9 times 5 is 45. So we put our 5 up here. Above our 4, that's the digit we brought down. 8 times 5 is 40. We put 0 down. We carry our 4. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 4 is 44. We subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Is 44 smaller than our divisor 88? It is. So we bring down our last digit, which is a 0. How many times will, back to my pretend divisor, 9 go into 44? Well, 9 times 4 is 36. But you guys know what? I'm thinking, let me look at my book. Yes, I was thinking it's going to be 5 because we rounded this up. 9 times 4 is 36. If we put a 5 here, then 8 times 5 is going to be 40. Put our 0 down, carry our 4, then it would be 44. So I'm going to go with the 5. Now you guys don't write anything on your paper. Let me show you. If we would have went with our estimating, it would have come out like this, but you stop writing. We would have put our 4 up here. 8 times 4 is 32. Put 2 down, carry our 3. 8 times 4 is 32, plus our 3 is 35. When we subtract, our remainder is going to be 88. We can't say 0 minus 2, cross out our 4, make it a 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. We can't say 4 minus 3, cross out our 4, make it a 3. 13 minus 5 is 8. Is it smaller than our divisor? No, it's not smaller. So that would let us know that it would have to be 5. So let me change it to 5 up here. I just wanted you guys to see that. Sometimes when you do round up, when your estimate makes you add 1 to your first digit, sometimes that's another reason why it's very important to check and make sure that once you subtract, that number is smaller than your divisor. Because if it's not, there's a problem up there, okay? So you'll need to go back and correct it. So I know we've seen that yesterday too, but I wanted to show you guys without you having to do all the erasing and stuff yourselves, okay? All right, so our 5 is back up at the top. 8 times 5 is 40, put 0 down, carry our 4. 8 times 5 is 40 plus our 4 we carried is 44. 440 minus 440 is 0. Okay, so our quotient is 655. All right, and then look at section 3, letter A. Section 3, letter A. We have 513 times 287. So 3 times 7, this is where we're going to multiply first. 513 times the digit in the ones place. 3 times 7 is 21, put 1 down, carry our 2. 1 times 7 is 7, plus our 2 we carried is 9. 5 times 7 is 35, plus our 2 we carried is 37. Be sure and put your 3 out there in its own little new column. Okay, put a box around your 8. We are now going to multiply 513 times 8. Put a 0 in your ones place, we're done with that. 3 times 8 is 24, put a 4 down, carry your 2 above the tens place. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 2 is 10, put a 0 down, carry your 1 above the hundreds place. 5 times 8 is 40, plus the 1 we carried is 41. Put your 1 straight under the 3 and make a new column for your 4. All right, so now we have multiplied 513 times 7 to get this partial product. We multiplied 513 times 8 to get this partial product. So now we're ready for our third partial product. We're done with the ones place, put a 0. We're done with the tens place, put a 0. So now we got to multiply by the hundreds place. So 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Put your 0 down, make 1 its own nice pretty little column. We're going to add up our partial products. The ones place equals 1. The tens place equals 13. Put 3 down, carry your 1. The hundreds place is 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 6 is 14. Put 4 down, carry your 1. The thousands place is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 7. The 10,000s place equals 4. And the 100,000s place equals 1. 1, 2, 3, comma. Our product is 147,431. All right, so you're going to complete all of page 23. When I get your paper, everything on page 23 should be completed. Turn to the back side. On the back side, on page 24, I want you to complete section 5. Just circle the number 5 because you know you're going to do all of that. Or highlight it. Circle number 6, you're going to do all of that section. Circle number 7 and number 8, you will do all of both of those sections. And then look at section number 9. On section 9, I want you to circle letter A. You will complete letter A. You will complete letter B. You will complete letter G. And you will complete letter I. Okay? So you guys do a great job. This is be a graded assignment. Most times any review work is a graded seat work grade, okay? Y'all do good. You got this.